Why is it that some people work just as hard as you, maybe even harder, yet they never seem to escape being broke? Is it really about income? Or is it about habits? Today, we're diving deep into the 10 money habits silently sabotaging your financial future. And more importantly, how to break them before they break you. 1. Living without a budget. Most people think budgets are restrictive. In reality, a budget is freedom. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Without one, you're flying blind. Fix. Start with a simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings investing. Even a basic framework beats chaos. 2. Confusing wants with needs. Here's the psychology. Your brain craves dopamine, and spending feels like a reward. That's why you convince yourself that a new phone is a need. Fix. Pause before purchases. Ask, will this matter to me in 6 months? If not, it's a want. 3. Relying on credit cards for lifestyle. Credit cards aren't evil, but using them to fund a lifestyle you can't afford is. The trap is minimum payments. They keep you chained to debt. Fix. Treat credit cards like tools, not lifelines. Pay in full each month or cut usage until you can. 4. Ignoring emergency savings. Life happens. Car repairs, medical bills, sudden job loss. Without an emergency fund, you're forced into debt. Fix. Build a starter emergency fund of $1,000, then grow it to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. 5. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise and suddenly your expenses rise to match. New car, bigger apartment, fancier dinners. The cycle never ends. Fix. Lock in your lifestyle. When income grows, funnel the difference into investments or savings. 6. Not tracking small expenses. It's not the $500 purchases that sink you. It's the $5 ones, repeated hundreds of times. Coffee, snacks, subscriptions. Death by 1,000 cuts. Fix. Use apps or even a simple notebook to track every expense for 30 days. Awareness alone will shock you. 7. Avoiding investing. Because it feels risky, many stay broke because they fear the stock market, ETFs, or even side hustles. But inflation eats your savings if you don't invest. Fix. Start small. Automate contributions into index funds or ETFs. The earlier you start, the less you need later. 8. Falling for easy money schemes. From lottery tickets to get-rich-quick courses, people waste fortunes chasing shortcuts. The psychology, hope mixed with impatience. Fix. Shift focus from fast to consistent. Wealth is built through boring, repeatable habits. Saving, investing, compounding. 9. Not learning about money. Financial ignorance is expensive. If you don't understand interest rates, taxes, or investing basics, you'll always be at a disadvantage. Fix. Dedicate 30 minutes a week to financial education. Books, podcasts, YouTube channels. Knowledge compounds faster than money. 10. Thinking wealth is about luck. The most dangerous habit is believing rich people are just lucky. That mindset kills your motivation. Wealth is rarely luck. It's systems, discipline, and patience. Fix. Reframe your thinking. Ask, what systems can I build today that will pay me tomorrow? So here's the truth. Being broke isn't just about income. It's about habits. Break the wrong ones, build the right ones, and your financial future changes forever.